Hello there, that's Gedik from Gedicator. In this training, we are going to learn Ellipse and Polygon commands. When we click on the Ellipse command, we see three options. Center options, we start from the center and after determined other points. Like this, center, other, and last. Okay. This option starts at the exit point. I have shown it. It's easy. Finally, elliptical arc. That's very important. As the name suggests, for draw elliptical lines like this. Determine start and exit point after you set the gap. You can change them by clicking on it. Okay, that's all for ellipse commands. Now let's examine the polygon commands. After click on the command, we need to enter number of sides. For example, 5 and enter. Then we set center. We have cues to inside circle or outside circle. I will tell you this later. For now, inside. Okay, that's all. Now draw a circle. Okay, polygon in center. Okay, inside like this. Now center outside. That's the difference. Okay, we will make example of them in later videos. Thanks for watching. I'm happy if you subscribe and like videos. See you later. Other videos.